welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nilima Panwar and today's video is my first video. In this video we are going to learn how to use do and does. So without any further delay, let's get started. Do and does are the present tense forms of the verb. We use the helping verb do when forming negative sentences and questions. We don't always need to use do and does in positive sentences, but in a few positive sentences we also use do and does. We will discuss about it in the end of the video. Let's start. Use of does. Does is used for single subject like he, she, it, this and that, and any singular noun like car, check, Rohan, Sohan. The negative form is doesn't. This is the contraction of does not. For example, she doesn't, it doesn't, Jack doesn't, he doesn't. When forming the question, the helping verb does comes at the beginning. For example, does she, does it, does Ram, does Jack. Let's see some example Hindi to English. Positive, negative, interrogative. Positive. वह बाजार जाती है. She goes to market. Go is the main verb. She is the singular subject. We add SES with the first form of the verb. Negative sentence. वह बाजार नहीं जाती है. She does not go to market. I can use the contraction doesn't, like she doesn't go to market. क्या वह बाजार जाती है? Does she go to market? वह बाजार कब जाती है? When does she go to market? जब क्वेश्चन वर्ड सेंटेंस के बीच में आता है तो उसकी इंग्लिश हम सेंटेंस की स्टार्टिंग में लगाते हैं. जैसे वह बाजार कब जाती है? कब की इंग्लिश पहले लगाएंगे स्टार्टिंग में. When does she go to market? When the question words comes middle in the sentence, English of that words comes at the beginning. Do is used for plural subject like I, we, you, they, these and those, and any plural noun like cars, girls, boys. The negative form is don't. This is the contraction of do not. For example, I don't, they don't, we don't, you don't, boys don't. When forming the question, the helping verb do comes at the beginning. For example, do I, do they, do we, do you. Let's see some more example Hindi to English. Positive. मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. I play cricket. मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ. I don't play cricket. क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? Do you play cricket? तुम क्रिकेट कब खेलते हो? When do you play cricket? Let's see use of do and does in positive sentences. We don't need to use do and does in positive sentences where there is already a main verb. But where there is no main verb, we use do and does in positive sentences. Let's see some example. I will show you how to use do and does as a main verb. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.